camera folks have ordered Gott'a, just waiting for it to bleep and then go and collect. What's so hard is that everything is social distancing, and you've got to be careful and mindful that you don't do silly things and have your mask off and touch things and touch your face, and keep it tidy, keep it clean, keep it sanitized. You gotta keep your hands constantly washed and clean. What can we do? We have to adapt and do what is absolutely needed. This lady is doing a phenomenal job tidying up, sanitizing and wiping down everything. Here's my vibration. Vibrating. It's